Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. This evening we're in Kaparis. There's the main road, and Kaparis has become very posh, guys. We've got a brand new road down here. It is lovely, planting everywhere, and we're going to go into Zorbas Bakery. They've got lots and lots of Christmas stuff. I've been told it's triple delish, very reasonably priced, so we'll go in and have a look around. Let's start off here, eh? Look at these little Christmas chocolates. Oh, well, look at the centre one. Can you see that? And what are they down there? Are they cats?
Reindeer.
Oh, reindeer. I look like cats. There's the little penguins. They're tiny. Let me put my finger in front. Look how small they are. Christmas trees. What are they?
Snowmen.
No, oh yes, I thought they were them Chinese things that wave their arms. So let's have a look. How much are these? These are 25 euros a kilo. That's not too bad, is it, really? You get snowmen. There's a Christmas tree. All sorts there. Look, there's some more traditional cupcake type ones. Right, let's carry on. Of course, they've got Christmas cakes. They're $18.95. That's not too bad at all, is it? They've got Christmas cupcakes. They're nice. How much are they? $2.45. Oh, I like that. I think his nose is supposed to be flat.
It is, yeah.
It's supposed to be flat. Oh, you can put his nose up, I think. Anyway, that's $35.95. What else have they got? Come round here, look. There's another traditional Christmas cake. That's $25.95. Again, that's really, really good.
These are nice.
Oh, these are all the traditional Cypriot cakes. There's one there, there's one there.
These are my
Double
favourite.
delish. What's your favourite? Show me. Oh, over here. Yes, I know that's your favourite. Coming round here. These. How do you pronounce them?
However you like.
However you like, guys. These are sometimes given at weddings and christenings.
And these have got mincemeat in them.
Yeah, these have got mincemeat, but not meat, if you know what I mean. Sweet mincemeat. There's some cakes that they've got all year round, same as this marble cake. Have you seen the marble cake? There, marble cakes. Oh, Santa lollies over there. Let's go and have a look at the Santa lollies. They are €2.50. Delish. Oh, looks like double delish. Oh, cookies, look. Cookies. Cookies. $12.65 a kilo. Oh, more. Oh, I do like those. Little soldiers. I do like those soldiers, don't you? There's loads in here, isn't there, for Christmas? What else you found? That's the cakes. Oh, there's more over here, guys. Look. You can get, oh, a chocolate advent calendar. You can get Kinder chocolates. Oh, that's nice. A little Christmas cake. Let's go around here. Have a look around here, shall we? Oh, by the way, you can get your candles. There's candles all year round, the candles, and some birthday candles that sort of sparkle. In fact, they're like sparklers, aren't they? Right, let's go and have a look around here, shall we? Now, this is what you can get all year round. Delish cakes, individual cakes at €1.85. Look at the size of those lovely chocolate cakes in there. €2. That is a bargain. Let's have a look inside there. Look at that. That chocolate cake is just €2. So if you are over here, you can have a chocolate. Oh, you like the red velvet and the chocolate fresh cream bowl.
And
they're €2.60.
€2.
All €2. I do apologise. €2. All €2 except this one here, $2.25. Oh wow! Look at that. Fresh fruit tart. Beg your pardon. Ice cream. Oh wow! Look at that massive tub. $6.95. And that is lovely ice cream. That's local ice cream. Papa Philippou ice cream.
It's like Solera.
Lollies at $1.80. 40% less sugar in that particular one. You see that?
I'm going to have one of them, not now, because we're going out to
No,
dinner.
we'll try one. I agree. I'm going to try one of them another day. Of course, tonight we are going elsewhere. They do all sorts of rolls, salads, and they also do have a sandwich bar. That's over there. There's the sandwich bar. You can pick what you like at the sandwich bar. And you can buy some pastries. Look out for videos. We've often bought pastries and gone out on picnic. These pastries here you buy by the kilo because they're mini ones. And they're $12.75 a kilo, which is really reasonable. Or you can buy a proper sized pastry. That one's a Greek style cheese puff pastry at $2.30. Great for picnics, guys. Oh, this is one of my favourites, the olive pie. Good value for money. Massive olive pie at £2.30 or €2.30 should I say. There's the coffee shop, a proper coffee shop. I'm gonna get some of these today. Which one are you going to get? The mincemeat one? I think that might have mincemeat in it as well, doesn't
it
it?
says filled and they say not filled.
Ah, filled, not filled. Right, grab some then. That's $2.45 a kilo.
I need to taste.
Yeah.
Show the viewers.
Definitely get some of them. There we are, lovely. How many are you going to have?
2 each.
2 each. We can have. We could taste it today or tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think, on the way to Paphos. We're going to Paphos tomorrow, so we'll have them on the way to Paphos tomorrow. Oh, you want to have it half today? Oh, we're going to have half today as well, guys. Greedy Chops wants half today. What do you want? Some Dougal cake too?
I'll just show the viewers.
Oh, you just show the viewers. Okay. Greedy Chops wants a small piece. Look at that. That's one of my favourites as well. That's called
Good cake.
Good cake. That's good cake. That's just €2 for a great big slice.
Orange pie.
$2.65. Right, there's all the rolls and the flatbread. Don't forget you can get gluten-free bread, but you have to ask for it because it's frozen. There's eggs and cheese, and of course you've got your drinks. And over here you've got more lollies. Look at all these lollies. They're little miniature lollies, and you buy them by the kilo. There's some more down there, look. And then here we've got more cakes that you can buy. Now these cakes are available all year round. So if you've got a birthday party, you can come down here and buy a cake. You can buy a smaller cake. There's one there. That's $3.75. Wow. Big crunchy cake. How about that for Christmas? That's €26. That's well worth it. It's massive. Look at the size of that. So there we are, beautiful cakes, guys. And then of course they've got a massive counter with hot food. So there we are, guys. Greedy Chops is just paying for those lovely little biscuits, and we're going to try one, half each. That, of course, this is Zorbas in Kaparis, but there's loads of Zorbas around Cyprus, guys. And of course there's Zorbas by the sea. They've got a kebab shop in there. They haven't got a kebab shop in here, but they have got the hot food counter in this particular one. So there's Greedy Chops. So what should we have? What, half each tonight?
1 each.
Oh, 1 each. Okay. Right, so here we are. We'll sit out here. Oh, a little bit chilly, isn't it? There we are. There's
Only a mouthful.
It's about probably 10 degrees.
Like shortbread.
Right, go on, you try it. Oh wow, that looks
Mincy
double
pie.
delicious. Mmm. Well, there's a little top tip. If you're in Cyprus and you fancy mince pie, just get one of these. Here we are. You don't have to go around the shops looking for traditional mince pie. This is the same sort of thing. Oh yeah. I hope you enjoyed this little video. We certainly did, about those delish mince pies. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.